drives. Okay, I'm going out. My car is literally dirty. Oh my stupid. Oh, there's again a stupid bird. Shut, go away. Shut. Finally. Hey, it go poop on my car. What is this? I gotta clean all this. Now I gotta clean this bad boy out. The bird again is coming. Wait, the bird again? Go away, shut. If you dare do that again, I will snap you in the face. No, I have a lot of emergency pee. Oh, I gotta pee now. No, you go away. This is again. Got it. Done. The car is looking much better. I don't need these items anymore. Let's go back to home. Hurry! What was that? Yo! What happened? Can you also clean my car? What? Not even a chance. I will give you money. No, not even a chance.